Hey, chocolate lovers! Have you ever wondered how that delicious bar of chocolate you're munching on came to be? Well, you're in for a treat, because today, we're diving into the mouth-watering history of chocolate, from its humble beginnings to becoming the global sensation it is today. The story of chocolate is as sweet as the treat itself. Our story begins in the heart of the ancient Mesoamerican rainforests. Imagine a world where cacao trees, with their vibrant green leaves and football-shaped pods, ruled the jungle. The ancient Mayans and Aztecs were among the first to discover the magic of cacao. They called it cultivated, which roughly translates to bitter water. But trust me, it was nothing like the hot cocoa we enjoy today. Cacao was so precious to these ancient civilizations that they used it as currency. Can you imagine buying your groceries with chocolate bars? Well, they did, and it was a currency sweeter than gold. They believed that cacao was a gift from the gods, and they even used cacao beans to pay tribute to their rulers. Fast forward to the 16th century when cacao made its way to Europe. The Spanish explorer Hernan Cortés brought it back from his adventures in the New World. At first, chocolate was considered a bitter and spicy drink, nothing like the sweet treats we know today. But Europeans quickly fell in love with it and began experimenting with new recipes. The birth of the chocolate bar. It wasn't until the 19th century that the first ever chocolate bar was created. Thanks to advancements in technology, chocolate became accessible to the masses. Imagine life without chocolate bars or hot cocoa. It's hard to fathom. Chocolate's journey didn't stop there. With inventions like the cocoa press and conching machines, chocolate production became faster and smoother. This allowed companies like Cadbury, Nestle, and Hershey to take the world by storm, making chocolate an affordable luxury for everyone. Today, we can't get enough of chocolate. From silky smooth milk chocolate to rich dark cocoa, we have endless options. We celebrate with chocolate, we give it as gifts, and we indulge ourselves just because it's Tuesday. It's a global phenomenon that brings us all together. But before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts to satisfy your curiosity. Did you know that the world's largest chocolate bar weighed as much as 12 fully grown cows? The record for the most chocolate consumed in a minute is a whopping 27.4 grams. Chocolate melts at just below body temperature, which is why it feels so heavenly in your mouth. And there you have it, the fascinating history of chocolate from ancient Mesoamerica to the chocolate bars we adore today. So, the next time you savor that delicious piece of chocolate, remember the incredible journey it took to get to your taste buds. Thanks for joining me on this delectable journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow chocolate enthusiasts. Until next time, keep enjoying the sweet pleasures of life, one chocolate bite at a time.